without you. I only think about you.
But what you're saying is true.
I know you're tired of being.
Riley, say something to the camera, girl. Oh, that's what you want to say? What else? Since you want to talk so much, what you got to say to the camera? Say food before the road! Food before the road!
A beat on the beat.
What's up, y'all? So we just got to the resort and we got Riley with us. If y'all didn't already know. How you feeling, babe? So you just not gonna say nothing? Why you stink? Alright.
Bravo. Not right now, okay?
This girl right here. Here was something with. Alright, y'all. Yes, sure. Alright, y'all. So we just got settled into the hotel. This one acting all bad. But we finna have a good time, y'all. So we about to go to Disney Springs soon. Grab something to eat. And we got reservations at this restaurant tonight. So we're gonna take y'all along. And tomorrow we are going to 2 parks, hopefully. I don't know which ones. So y'all stay tuned to these Disney vlogs. Say hello to the people.
Riley, shut the hell up. Shut up.
Check out the new Yeezys. Yes, sure.
Tommy, yummy, yummy, anytime. Yummy, yummy, anytime. Yummy, yummy, anytime. Yummy, yummy.
Hey there, that thing right there, right there.
Pull it up. Come on now.
Yes, sir. Let's see what it's talking about. Oh, it's a bar over there? Oh no, over there. Oh, they done messed up.
We didn't bring our card. I didn't bring my license.
I got my license.
5 feet 9 inches. I cannot stand up in that. At Disney Resort, but we was like, it's no point because we ain't gonna be here.
We're not gonna be here, so it's pointless. So
why we spend all that money?
We got us a nice little resort. Got everything we need, so we're good to go. You wanna take a picture by Mickey Mouse and Goofy? Or Pluto? I said Goofy, I meant Pluto. Alright, y'all, so we getting changed. About to head to Disney Springs. Outfit of the day. I got my bread for us.
It's supposed to rain.
Ooh.
I'm mad.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain every day this week. But we gonna make it work. I got my bread fours on. Show y'all my shirt. Boom! Yes, sir. Drip God. You feel me? What? Get your exercise on, ma'am. Alright, guys. So we are at Disney Springs. It is raining, which sucks. We're gonna make the most of this trip. Till I'm getting better, I'm holding it straight. No. Okay. So we're in the store right now, guys.
It's a must.
Yeah, movie theater over here, guys. And there's a Coca-Cola, whatever rooftop thing.
Thank you.
I couldn't even finish this, y'all. Meanwhile, bro, this one good. But I'm gonna have later. I'm gonna have leftovers for later on. Thank you. Here's the damage. No, Asian guy. Yeah, that restaurant was good. Really good.
Time to go to sleep.
Yep, cause I am full. Oh my god.
Y'all gotta see the baby for today.
Oh my gosh. Alright, y'all, the food baby for today. Oh my god. We're gonna see y'all back at the resort.
So we're back and we got the pup. About to take her outside and then we're going to the Riley! Riley! It's your little small self. Y'all, Riley be barking at people like people really scared of her. Right. Like, girl, you ain't finna do nothing. She finna use the bathroom, Norman.
Alright guys, so we back at the pool. We about to hit the jacuzzi real quick. So we about to enjoy ourselves. Here go some towels right here if you need them. So we finna enjoy ourselves, relax, and then yeah, let me get one. That's gonna be it, man. We on vacation, so we need to relax. Period.
Give it one more chance. Where are you, honey? Give it one more chance. Where are you, honey? Give it one more chance. Where are you, honey?
So we in Walgreens. And this one here, he wanted to match me. Just want to put that out there. Just want to put that out there. Just want to put that out there.
This is what we gonna need. We might not need this tomorrow.
What I got cap for? Repping the home team,
Yes,
but
sir.
also state.
Yes, sir.
You gave Blazer. Oh my. Anywho, we got, y'all. We not supposed to be eating like this, but we got chips, candy, and donuts. And no. All right, well I'm putting your stuff back then, since you want a cap for the vlog.
Yeah, tell them that I didn't.
I'm not telling them that, because that's a lie. Excuse me. We made it back to the resort.
Resort?
He's struggling with them bags.
Resort? Come on.
I know you're not, I'm just talking. I thought we already missed movie night. Yeah, we missed it. This is the same movie?
What is that?
Toy Story?
Hey, give me.
The Headassery. We back in the resort. About to sleepy.
Yeah, I'm tired.
I'm so tired. My feet hurt. And I know today ain't nothing like what tomorrow gonna be.
Oh yeah.
I'm so tired.
I'm eating my leftovers. So.
Eat your leftovers look like it's already gone.
Yeah, I ate it.
Fatty.
I'm over here begging.
Come here, Ross. Riley. Hey, Poopy. Tell the vloggy vlog bye-bye. Riley, come back here. Come here. Come here. They don't want no toy on the vlog. They don't want to play with you. Alright. Anyways, we about to chill out, watch a little TV till we fall asleep, go to bed, and then wake up super early tomorrow. Catch y'all later. Thank y'all for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at
SSS_ 4 S's.
Psalms 4 S's _. Sorry y'all, I forget every time. And follow him at, don't follow him. Follow him
I got more
at,
followers here anyway.
on what?
Instagram.
What about Twitter?
I'm gonna get on Twitter.
I'll be on Twitter.
Alright, y'all watch the rest of the Disney vlogs, y'all.
You ain't tell them what to follow you at.
At NTD3__. Y'all watch the rest of the Disney vlogs. We'll catch y'all at Animal Kingdom.
Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better.